Hi, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to delete images and video in Grok Image. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Grok. So right here, as you can see, this is the home page of my Grok. The next you have to do is to click on the image icon, Imagine icon found at the top. So you're going to see a kind of gallery option, close just gallery option. Click on it. So these are the list of videos and images I've created so far with my Grok app. So all I have to do is to click on the favorite icon found close to it. So any of them you click on, you can easily delete it. So you just, as you can see, so I have been able to delete the image and video in my Grok Image. So guys, that is it on how to delete image and video in Grok Image. If this video was helpful, please do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.